Life can feel pretty overwhelming at times with the to-do list, the busy work weeks, so we're all trying to do what we can and find joy in the little things that make us feel good. So I hope this video inspires you to do your self-care and do all the small things that improve your day to day. Good morning. I woke up feeling like a wreck today. I am super dry and crusty from winter, like doing this to my skin. I have like ugly PJs that I wear to bed every single day. Like 9 times out of 10, I'm doing like old flannel Christmas pants and some random t-shirt from a volunteer event that I did like thousands of years ago. When you have that on, you wake up, you just never feel that good. So I'm like, why do I keep doing that? So I ended up putting on just like a nice, simple outfit. And it really did make me feel a lot better. I feel like I always need to do these little check-ins with you guys and also just for myself, like get back on track with certain habits because sometimes I just lose track of them. When you live with your parents, you don't really take full responsibility for any messes downstairs because it's not really like I'm leaving all my stuff down there, but my room is where my habits show the most. However, we do have people reworking our shower, so I had to like put everything in here, or like a lot of stuff in here. So partly putting the blame on that for why my desk is so messy, but I'm just feeling this need to have a little reset day and just get back on track again. I want to go to the farmer's market and just start the day with that. It is already 11:15, so I do need to hurry the heck up. I really want to be cute today, but I also want to be warm. So we got to pick something practical because I feel like the only way to be warm is just to layer things under like jeans and sweaters. Very comfy, very classic outfit. I think this is good for farmer's market because I'm not gonna be sweating because usually it is hotter than you think because the sun's just beating down on you. So I have on this Princess Polly sweater. I don't really shop there anymore, but I do think this is a good sweater, so I'm gonna keep wearing it. Anyway, nothing against Princess Polly. But I have on my favorite baggy jeans from Aritzia. They're the Farrah high-rise wide style. And then this belt is Madewell. I'm obsessed with the grommet detailing. It's just super fun. And then I have on this Dooney & Burke bag. I'll put on my shoes later. I'm starving. And I also think I want to put on some makeup. One of the ways that I've been romanticizing my life lately is just putting on makeup and like getting ready almost every single day. I just like feeling put together. And I've really perfected my everyday like easy makeup look that's really natural but still glowy, makes you look really good and fresh. So I'm always liking to do this every day. I think it's really good to have your little self-care routines within your day, even if you don't feel like getting ready for the day. It's just nice to have these little things like getting ready, for example, because it will make you feel like you have a little bit more structure to your day. And it's also like enjoyable for me to at least put on makeup. It's kind of like a little fun. You know, like when in college maybe some of you guys relate to this, but in college, like getting ready for an event was like one of the most fun parts of the event. And normally it's because you're like doing it with your friends or listening to music. I think adding these little segments to your day might help elevate it. Especially if you work from home, it's like separating the morning part from the actual work part of your day. Or else I just feel like your whole day is just blending into one thing. It's just like super mundane. Do you guys have like any self-care rituals that just make your life a lot better? I think another one that I really like doing is this is super strange and very shocking for me because I never used to be someone who took their vitamins. And I still have a hard time like choking down my multivitamin, but I did get some, I know this is sad, but I got gummy vitamins. I got magnesium glycinate and I got vitamin D. There is the whole debate of like if gummies even have the same efficacy as regular vitamins, and I think there is still like a downside to having gummies rather than regular pills. But for someone who has a hard time choking down pills because they gag every time or I'm actually gonna choke and die, I think something's better than nothing, and it actually like motivates me to take them. But like just having that little ritual in the morning is another thing that adds a little bit more structure to my day. Also, it's for my health. By the way, this is my current earring stack. I switched it out because normally I have on like a 14 karat gold thing back here, but I was in Arizona with my boyfriend. He treated me to these little earrings and they're super cute. I like them because they're a white type of silver. It's not like a full-on silver, so it kind of goes better with gold earrings, which I wear a lot. But they're from the brand Rowan, which I'd never heard of. We went into the little store. This is the name and the branding. But it was really cute and they had a ton of options. I've been wanting some more stud earrings because I feel like a ton of the time I end up just getting hoops and I get things that don't really work for my other holes. There's a completed ear stack. I'm running out of time. It's almost 1 o'clock, so we gotta hurry up. But this is the outfit. My favorite shoes ever. I'm basically that. Is it just me, or do farmers markets just hit different in the fall time? It's like pears and apples, and I just never knew what fruits have been in season. Like, I've just never cared or paid attention, but you know, we're adults, and we should probably know what fruits are in season at this time of year. Actually, every time of year. So, I might have gone a little crazy today at the farmers market, but you know, this was treating myself. This is the theme of the vlog. It's a chill vlog, we're just getting our life together, and part of that entails just getting some good produce and some stuff that's gonna inspire me to eat pretty good during the week. And to start that off, we got Hummus Heavens garlic avocado dip, and I've gotten this before, and I wanted to get something that I could smear it on some sandwiches and just make the sandwich like 1,000 times better, because I feel like whenever I just have a chicken sandwich, it's missing some sauce, and I feel like this is my favorite type of flavor. I got 2 Asian pears. I've never tried these before, so I only got 2. Robert at the little produce stand, he always is giving out samples. He's such a nice guy. We chatted for a bit. Just wanted to get more stuff, but he actually gave me 2 of these things for free, so I only got 3 grapefruits, but these are the green ones right here. These are grapefruits, and they're a lot sweeter than your typical grapefruit, and I haven't had a grapefruit, I think, in like 7 years. I just never really reached for them. He gave me this Japanese persimmon, which I'm interested in because I've only tried regular persimmons. I think this is a mandarin. Did I get a little carried away? I did, and I got 2 pastries. I got a blueberry cheese thing, and I got another Danish. It's like a caramelized apple. I love like the monkey bread situation where it's like a caramelized thing, so it was giving me those types of vibes. The other one that I got in Arizona, and they were just like, got a package. I just got home not too long ago. I stuffed my face with some grapefruit. I made a chicken sandwich with the aioli and had some of the desserts. They were spectacular. It appears that I got some PR. This is Province Beauty. I'm excited because I think this is gonna be mainly skincare, and I'm always loving to try new skincare. Having a good skincare routine is my favorite thing ever. My skin has always been pretty easy to manage and it's usually clear, but I've been using a lot of different products lately. We got a cleansing balm. I love my one from Elemis. It's my favorite. It works so well. I like taking off mascara, but once I run out of that, I'm not going to buy it because it's really expensive. We have a green clay mask. This has niacinamide and caffeine and willow bark. So niacinamide and caffeine, I'm familiar with those ingredients. I don't know about willow bark. Adaptogen eye cream. I love adaptogens. It's kind of like a buzzword though. Like, I don't know about the skincare benefits of adaptogens, just like the other benefits, like with your mental clarity. And this has snow and reishi mushrooms, caffeine, and hyaluronic acid. I love hyaluronic acid. I have a lot of products with hyaluronic acid in them. It's good for hydrating, like creating more plump skin. And then a retinol niacinamide cream. Milky solution here. And then my favorite product, just because this is the type of stuff that I go through really quickly, it's a moisturizer. This is shea butter and squalane and hyaluronic acid, which are all really good ingredients that I recognize and love in my current skincare. I think it's finally time to get this place cleaned up, so I'm gonna get into some comfier clothes and we're gonna get to organizing and putting all this stuff away. When you're a slight hoarder, it's a little easy for things to pile up in your room. So the key to this is just having a lot of storage space. Dedicating a certain bin to a specific item or type of item really keeps me more organized because I'm able to put things back to their respective places. However, I do have this like PJ bin over here that's just toppling with stuff. So the next thing on my agenda is to declutter and try to recreate more closet space. But for now, I'm just putting things back in their respective bins. I really like having these for my dedicated like underwear, sock, and bra drawers underneath my bed because that always stays organized. So the sun's about to set in an hour. I just cleaned my room and I want to go clean downstairs, like the kitchen area. I still want to work out today and maybe go for a walk. But I'm feeling really good that my room is now organized and cleaned. Really good to vacuum the floors. One of my belts is like really old and it's like crumbling to pieces, so that's what all the black stuff was on the ground. And I have some clothes that I haven't decided if I'm going to keep or not. There are some things that I got from Madewell on Black Friday, and There are these two things. There's actually one thing I'm for sure returning, and then I'm trying to figure out if I want to keep these or not. This is the one that actually fits really well. This is a pair of like wide leg burgundy pants. I just haven't really figured out how I want to style them. So I just want to make sure that I have like at least 4 outfit ideas before I keep something like this. And this is one that looks maybe too baggy on me, so I might have to return it, but it's a pair of like cargo jeans. They're like super baggy so that the butt doesn't have any shape to it, just goes straight down like flat Stanley. Come to accept that I'm flat Stanley, but sometimes we don't need to make the issue worse. So I'm still deciding on these, but they're really cool. I've always loved photo shooting and photography in general, and my coworker, he saw me in the photo room one day because I do the photography for the company, and he said, would you use a backdrop thing? Because I don't need mine anymore. He used to be a photographer for his previous job. At first I said no because I thought I had no space, and I really don't have any space, but I did change my mind, and here we are now. I have full-on backdrop here, so I'm really excited, and I want to try doing a little self-portrait shoot right now. As you can tell, this room is in shambles. This has just become the clutter junk room. However, a little hobby that I picked up that I'd never talked to you guys about, it happened like while I wasn't posting on YouTube, but I took up jewelry making, and all this stuff is actually from my grandma. She was a jewelry maker back in the day, and she moved in with us, so now I inherited all of her jewelry, like drawers and drawers. I made a lot of different things. Here's something that I've made. I think I'm gonna put on a little bit of eyeshadow, like spice up my makeup a little bit, and then put it on an outfit and just shoot some quick pics before I work out later today. I'm just gonna try doing a little eye look with this Urban Decay palette. There's like some really pretty shimmery colors in here. Part of me wants to not do the pink because I don't know what my outfit's gonna be, and I could do something simple, and I might want to do like the white backdrop. Even after feeling like I haven't been super creative because I just like stopped creating videos as much, which was like my main form of creative expression. I wanted to find other ways to get creative. I really like the idea of like being a creative director, like styling things, like styling a shoot. I don't know if I see that as like a job or anything, but just as like something to do for fun. Honestly, like taking some fun pictures and styling stuff with an outfit, I feel like it's empowering and just a fun little thing to do for yourself. I think it's a good confidence booster. So I just tried to shoot 2 different looks. I don't know how I feel about it. I was just doing something random, and I really like this dress. This is an IMG dress, and it's like super old. I got it off Depop. And then I was wearing it with my huge Stomper Rave booties, and then there's actually this one that actually this might have looked better. I just shot it with my white boots, but now I'm noticing that this kind of looks cooler. And maybe I could have done some other like black accessories, I don't know. But, you know, I did the thing. I'm just gonna wrap it up because I think I just want to try it again another day. Oh my gosh, the sunset looks so nice today. I need to go on a walk. I don't need to, but I want to, and I get to. But look how pretty. And we're gonna match the sunset. Let's go. The sky looks so pretty. But the air does smell stinky.